Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Culinare one-touch can opener. So this is electric. The idea is you press the button and it will load up the can, and then it will work its way round, and then you press it again to unload the can. It's got a little magnetic thing here to keep hold of the lid, so it's all very neat and tidy. It takes two AA batteries. We're going to put the negative in that side, positive here, and the negative positive here. So they go in like so. And then if you have a look, when you press this button at the top, you can hear the motor go in, and you can see it's going to load up the can, and it will keep going until you tell it to stop. And then you press the button and then it will unload. So this is the cutting blade here, and this is the thing that actually turns the can around. So you'll be able to open up cans of different sizes. So I'm going to be opening up the sweet corn here. Now these don't actually need it because they've got pull rings on the top here, but for the purpose of the video I'm going to be opening up this side here. So you would load it up like this. So you see there's a little wheel here that drags it round. You're going to be putting the lip of the can in between that and the cutting wheel, so it's going to go on like so. So let's open up this one here. So it goes on like that, and then all we're going to do is press the button, and then we're going to let go of it, and it's going to work its way round. You will hear when it's done because the motor will sound easier. So it's nearly done now. I can see it's cut right the way around there. And there we go. Can you hear that? So all we have to now do is press this button. And that is it. You can see there's no actual mess. This has held on to this purely magnetically. So we can pull this off like so. And look at that. It's nice and clean. And your can's open there. So it's a really clever, simple little device. Might be useful if you've got arthritis or if you've got loads of cans to open. It will save you having to open them all up manually. Thanks for watching.